I could do one more. I think I went a little overboard on that last set. Gonna see how much chest I got left with this cable. Depending on that, how many sets I do. So I like to finish with flies, like cable, pec deck. I hardly do dumbbell, but I like to finish with flies. It let me know how well I've done on my other workouts. Like, see, today I know I did good because I could barely do these flies. So if I get to this machine and I can load it all the way up and get 10 reps easy, I either, one, didn't do a good job with my other workouts, or I took too long to get to the sets over here. But let's do it next set. dropped the weight. Probably about 25%. Another way I take the pump, when I just walk around and it feels like my chest is like 12 inches away from my body, even though it's not, it just feels very protracted and far out. So, and it feels heavy. It's like, I don't know. It's a great chest workout. I can't even flex it, bro. It's like, it's crazy. So I actually dropped the weight 15% on that last one. Still struggling. Dropped it 15% more. I don't know. I feel like this set is about to be pointless, but what the fuck, bro? I'm torched. I'm done, bro. I mean, it's a success. I mean, it's a success, bro. Alright, bro, that's it. Supposed to be chest and lats today. But with the freeze and the weather and all that shit going on, my workout partner just confirmed he didn't do lats either because he was rushed. That's why we didn't work out together. Had stuff to do, so we're gonna do lats tomorrow. And instead of taking an off day, probably just move shoulders and arms up. So go home, eat. Probably be snowed in tomorrow, but still gonna go to the gym, bro. You know how it is. We're gonna hit last tomorrow. I'll bring that video tomorrow.